Guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a first impressions of the Beauty Blender foundation. And it's literally arrived this morning and I'm absolutely over the moon to have it in my hands. I've heard so much about it. It's been literally everywhere on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers have tried it out and I just wanted to get my hands on it and see what it's about. See if you enjoy it, see if I enjoy it. Sorry guys, the lighting was really annoying me. I'm not actually wearing any makeup today because I wanted to try out the foundation first up and really want to try it with you guys. So I hope everyone's having an amazing day today. I'm back filming, back feeling myself. You know, I had a bit of a difficult week last week. But yeah, so I'm back now, back filming, back feeling my best self. So apart from my ear, I don't know what's up with it today. It's absolutely killing me. I've got some new earrings. Can you see? I've got this lovely kind of feather and 2 gold earrings. But they're really hurting. I think because I've swapped jewellery. I normally have silver. When I got my ears pierced, it came with my, so I look better. Oh. So, I hope everyone's great. I just want to show you my nails again, because I showed you it in the mukbang, but I probably couldn't see very well. Focus, don't know. They're absolutely beautiful, so stunning. I'm really in love with them, and I really like, sorry, I don't know which way to put my hair. I really like how they look. I've just gone for a different shape, more of a kind of oval shape. I didn't want something quite so in your face, and like the coffin was a bit too much. I thought this is quite subtle. So I always do this. So I look a bit weird today because I've not got any makeup on. I've just got a slight bit of tinted moisturiser. So this is the foundation. I'm going to open it, guys. So this is the box, and first instantly you see the Beauty Blender logo, Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation, Fond, I'm reading French, and it says Bounce. This is the Bounce foundation, and my shade was Blend 1.30. Can you see? And at the front it says, thank me later, gotta bounce, Rhiannon, founder and creator of Beauty Blender. That's amazing, I love that. So let's get into the box. Ooh, this is cool. It's even got instructions on how to use it. How cool is it? So this is the foundation. How amazing is this? And obviously this is the Beauty Blender foundation. This is like one of the newest foundations that's out at the moment. So I'm really happy to have it in my hands. So what I believe you have to do, peel here, it says, press here, remove before use. Okay, so let's do this. Oh dear, probably not. I just want to get into it. Urgh. So take off the peel here. Spiel. And here it is. So I'm really excited. Don't really know. I think this is the on button. So if I just click that. And what you're supposed to do is, this is my Beauty Blender, which is relatively clean. I've just cleaned it. Isn't this so annoying for people who have got acrylics? You get like lines in the sponge from when you're holding it. I hope this shade is good for me. I'm just going to let you know that on the website, the shade is obviously shown, but it tells you if you are undecided on what shade to get, and you're thinking, oh no, well, I'm this shade for NARS, this shade for Estee Lauder. It actually has every bit of, it's got like a recommendation of what your skin shade is compared to a different foundation. Does that make sense? If you've got sand in Estee Lauder, it'll say the shade that is kind of similar to sand would be, let's make it up, this one, which is 1.30, but it's not. So I'm just going to actually get my iPad because I can show you better on there, because you probably don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So this is the foundation. Oh, don't want that. So there are the shades on that side. And say if I wanted the third one down, it'll actually, if I wanted the 4.30, it'll actually say what other foundations are similarity in this shade, and it will list them. So this is similar to Fenty 420, Kat Von D Deep 67 Cool, Estee Lauder Amber Honey, NARS Caracas, L'Oreal Creme Cafe. So it's really quite helpful because that's how it helped me. Online, it's difficult to find your foundation. It's difficult to find which one's right for you. So this has really helped me. So I am 1.30. So I went on to... I chose that one because I looked at the model and my skin is fairly similar to hers. Can you see there? And I used to have the Fenty Rihanna one, 150. So this was just an absolute no-brainer for me to pick this one, because the Rihanna one, Fenty, was just amazing for me. It really, really worked really well. I'm quite sad that I finished it, but I want to try something else, some more foundation. So let's get into the video. Oh, by the way, I've had my lashes done too. I've done them myself. But they're not quite sparse yet because they need to get a bit more wet. Let's go. Which way do I do it? Oh, so just click down. Here we go. And people say to drop it like this. This shade looks absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to do, take my beauty blender. This is what they say. This is why it's in the shape of a beauty blender. And just dab it on the beauty blender. And then I'm going to pat on my face. So this is the first time I'm doing it ever. You've seen me take it out of the box. I've never used it ever before. So here we go. No, that didn't cover much really. Let's try it on the sponge. And then just dot it all over my face. And then just blend in. Bounce, they say, don't they? It's called bounce. I'm going to bounce the beauty blender on my skin. Now, instantly I'm looking and noticing it's quite a matte foundation. The coverage is great. The colour is absolutely insane. I'm so happy I chose this one. I need just a tiny bit more. I do feel like the coverage could be built. It is a buildable foundation. Sorry, I don't want you not to see what I'm doing. I think that might be enough there. So, first impressions. Oh, I'm getting Botox tomorrow, by the way, guys. I can't really tell. It's very lightweight, I find. Very lightweight. No, I don't feel utterly wowed by this foundation. I don't know what it is. My skin isn't actually picking up the foundation that well. I don't know. I'm a bit confused. I mean, the coverage is okay. I don't think it's the best. I don't think it's better than the other foundation, the, which one was it? The Too Faced one. I don't think it's better than that. It's quite mattifying. But I don't think it's... It could be just me, but I don't know. I really like the idea of this. You see, I've got quite a lot of redness. And I don't believe it's making it that... I'm not wowed, guys. That's really disappointing. Maybe I need to just try... I feel like it's wiping the product away. The shade is absolutely amazing. It's completely what I like and what suits my skin. But maybe I need to just try maybe adding a bit more, or maybe I did prime. Oh, is it just me? Is it just me? I think because it looks quite natural, I quite like kind of thick kind of... Not cakey look, but I like quite high coverage. And this isn't very high coverage. It's buildable. Full coverage, it says here. Maybe my skin is quite dry at the minute. Maybe something to do with my skin. I'm not faulting the foundation because I do actually love Beauty Blender. But I think it's maybe something to do with my skin or... But I'm not wowed. But here's the foundation. This is £32 and I got mine from Cult Beauty. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it was really informative. It says to hold at a 45 angle. It's very, there's a lot of instructions. It's given me a good glow. I do like it. I mean, I think I need to build up more to get more of a kind of full coverage look that I desire. But for day to day, I think it's perfect. It has got a velveteen finish. It does feel very soft and very smooth, but I think, oh, and it's got hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid, as we know. Really do like the foundation, I do. I just think I need to build up, I need to use more, but I don't want to use the whole bottle on, you know, just one video. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry about the lighting, sorry about it being maybe all over the place, but I don't understand why my phone's doing this kind of weird lighting, and obviously my ring light isn't contributing that well. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have an amazing rest of the day or week or whatever you're doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. So I've just done my face, and I've put my highlighter on. I've put my bronzer. I've added more foundation, and I must say I'm absolutely in love now. Now the finished look is here, has taken effect. I can definitely see now the foundation has settled also how much my skin just looks glowing. It does look like there's a kind of velvet kind of feel. I'm really, really in love with this face. Really happy. It doesn't look cakey. And I'm really, really happy with the end result. So I do take it back when I said that it wasn't the one. But honestly, I really like it. It's very natural. It kind of brightens up my skin, I think, this foundation. And I would recommend it. Really, really like it. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. As I said before, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.